We had 6 words, and they were good words: continuous improvement, customer satisfaction, family culture.
I put these 6 core values up at every company meeting. I put them in every PowerPoint presentation that I do. And then when asked to recite what the 6 were,
not one of us could remember all 6 of those core values. We really needed something, I believe, to capture more of who we are, who our employees are, and what we stand for.
we came up with some really good 4 core values that demonstrates who we are as a company, who we are as employees, who we are as a team. I'm really proud of what the team came up with, and we're living them day to day, every day.
What we came up with is act like you own it,
Stronger united,
transparency matters.
and we don't walk away.
It's about taking ownership, and it's not about who is right. It's about doing what is right. And that means doing right for one another internally. It's doing right for our customers. It's doing right in your own job. And you can really see that those who act like they own it, they separate themselves from others. They take accountability. They know that everything doesn't go right. They're not hiding behind a mistake, but they're owning up to it and they're fixing it and they're learning it.
We want people to own their decisions, make decisions, and empower them. And we've brought on great leaders, great managers, and just great employees throughout the organization that every day are making key decisions because we've empowered them. We're all in the same boat together. And with that boat, if one of the departments fails, the boat's going down. So if sales is successful, engineering is successful, but operations isn't, that doesn't help the company. So Stronger United is really illustrating to our team that we all rely on each other, and we're only going to be successful if the other groups are successful. So tear down the walls, tear down the silos, and work with each other.
The need to be able to work together, lift each other up, help one another out, I think we see that every day, and that's really where Stronger United hits home with our employees.
Another one of our core values is transparency matters. Trust of each other, trust of the organization, and the trust has to be internal, but then the trust with our customers as well, because trust is our brand.
It gives people the ability to be vulnerable in their work setting. It allows individuals to say, hey, this is what's going on, I'm struggling here, and then you can couple it with some of our other Stronger United, can you help me out?
We don't walk away is something that I think goes back to my father, Gene. Our name's on the equipment, we need to stand behind it. It's not the goal just to get an order, it's the goal to make this equipment run profitably, reliably for our customers for 20 to 30 years. What you will get is the best service in the industry. No matter what, Anguil will make it right. And I think that's what we do. We just don't walk away.
We want employees to know that they're there for one another. When someone needs help or someone's down and out, go on over and lend a helping hand. It's just as much a personal slogan and a personal connection with We Don't Walk Away as much as it is related to our equipment and our customers. We don't walk away within the organization.
We're hiring people that live these core values. So this is part of our review process now. This is part of our hiring process. We want to work with people that believe in these. We don't want them words on paper like it was in the past for us.
The difference from the previous core values to how we're living them today, it's just night and day.